Welcome to quantitative aptitude class. We have been solving problems on ages. Now we will solve the question number 7. The question is Jaya's age after 6 years will be 3/7 of her father's age. 10 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 1:5. What is Jaya's father's age at present? Now, here Jaya's age is compared with her father's age, both in the future as well as in the past. In the first method that we are going to do, we take the future age as the base age and we do the problem. In the second method, we take the age in the past as the base age and solve the problem. And we see that both the answers are one and the same if we do the problem correctly. Now we proceed to go by the first method, which is we take the ages to be in the future. So before starting to do the problem, now look at an important point. Jaya's age is compared with her father's age. So Jaya is compared with her father. That means you have to take the age of the father first. So let us take the father's age be x. Then Jaya's age will be 3/7 of x because that is given. This is after 6 years from now on. Their ages Jaya's age will be 3/7 of her father's age. So age after 6 years. This is the ratio. Father's age is x and Jaya's age is 3/7 of x. Therefore, to get the percentage, what we have to do is we have to subtract 6 each from their age. So, Jaya's age, the percentage will be 3/7 of x minus 6, and our father's age will be age is x minus 6. Okay. So 10 years ago, what happens 10 years ago? So before 10 years, so what you have to do is from their present ages, you again subtract 10 each from their age. So 3/7 x minus 6 minus 10 and x minus 6 minus 10. So when you simplify this 3/7 x minus 16, this is x minus 16. Now we are given that uh, 10 years ago father's age is 5 times Jaya's age. Father will be 5 times Jaya's age. So father's age is x minus 16. Jaya's age is 3/7 of x minus 16. So 5 times of Jaya's age is father's age. So we take this equation and solve for x. Now before solving, what we have to do is you settle down this bracket because Badma's rule, bracket of multiplication, division and addition subtraction. Okay, so you take 7 as the LCM, so you will have 3x minus 7 times 16 is 112. Now 7 in the denominator, you just simply cross multiply to the left hand side. So this is 7x minus 7 times 16 is 112. This is 5 3s are 15x and 5 times 112 is 560. Now what do we do here is we take all x's to one side and all numbers to the other side. So 15x, you keep 15x on one side, you push 7x to the other side so that 7x becomes minus 7x. So 15x minus 7x. You push minus 560 to the other side so that becomes plus 560 minus 112. Now what happens here is 560 minus 112 is 448 and 8x is equal to 448 divided by 8, which is 56. So that is the value of x. Now percentage of the father is x minus 6. So what we have to do is 56 minus 6, that gives age of the father as 50 years. That is the age of Jaya's father. Now in this problem what we have done is we have taken the ages of father and Jaya in the future, but we could have taken the ages in the past also. So if you do that, do we get the same answer? Yes, we are going to get the same answer if you proceed by that method. So alternatively, you take Jaya's age to be x and father's age to be 5x. Why is it so? Because we are given that 10 years ago the ratio of Jaya's age to the father age is 1 is to 5 in the problem. It is given, yes, given as 1 is to 5. So making use of that, Jaya's age is 1x, father's age is 5 times Jaya's age. Now what will be their present age? What you have to do is simply add 10 to the x and you add 10 to 5x. So you will get the present ages, their present ages, namely x plus 10 and 5x plus 10. After 6 years, their age will be x plus 10 plus 6. After 6 years, you add one more 6 to this, 5x plus 10 plus 6. So on simplification, this is x plus 16 and this is 5x plus 16. Now what are we given? Now you go to the future comparison. After 6 years, that is what given. After 6 years, Jaya's age will be 3/7 of her father's age. Jaya's age will be 3/7 of her father's age. So this is the age of Jaya after 6 years. Age of father after 6 years. So Jaya's age is x plus 16. Jaya's age is equal to 3/7 of her father's age, which is 5x plus 16. So you take this equation and settle down these equations for x. So you cross multiply 7. So 7x plus 7 times 16, which is 7x plus 7 times 16 is 112. You multiply 3 to this inside the bracket. So 3 times 5x is 15x, 3 times 16 is 48. As we did in the previous case, you take all x to one side and numbers to the other side. So 15x, you push 7x to the right so that 15x minus 7x, and that becomes 8x, and you push 48 to the left so that it becomes 112 minus 48, which is 64. So 8x is equal to 64. Therefore, x is equal to 64 by 8, which is 8. So the present age of Jaya's father is 5x plus 10. But x is 8 that we have found. So 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50 years. So in either case, we see that the age of father coming to be the same. So it is the question of the person who is doing the problem whether to keep the age in the future or in the past. So it is up to him to decide. Okay, thanks for watching.